Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the navigation tool which we use in AutoCAD file. Before start learning the drawing tools, you have to know how to use the workspace by using the navigation tool. It is better to use 3-pointer mouse when you work in the AutoCAD file. If you are using the laptop, even you can use the touchpad to work with this navigation tool. For example, let me draw the rectangle. If you wanted to zoom and see this rectangle, you have to just scroll up the center button. The scroll button is there in the mouse, right? So that you have to scroll up, and if you wanted to zoom out, you have to scroll down so that zoom in and zoom out will work. This is with the mouse. If you are using the touchpad, you can just right click, and then here you can select this option called zoom, and then you can just scroll it will zoom out, and then if you wanted to zoom out, you can do like this. So in this way you can use the zoom out and zoom in button. If you wanted to get out of this zoom, you have to press the escape button. Now let's look into this navigation tools. It is the full navigation wheel. It provides access to the general and specialized navigation tool. The wheel is optimized for experienced 3D users. And next we have the pan and zoom extents we have. This is orbit and this is show motion. Screen display, if you wanted to get the camera animations and all, for that this will be useful. This will be useful when we work with the 3D model. Now we are working in 2D. So let's see one by one how we can use the pan. If you wanted to move this object from one place to other place, just click on this pan button and then you can just move wherever you want in the workspace. Just click on exit, and if you use the touchpad, even you can get the pan button by using the right click option and then click on this pan. You will be getting the pan option and then just exit. Next one is zoom extents. This zoom extent will be very useful when we have multiple object on the same workspace. For example, I'm just drawing many rectangles over here. See, let me click on this zoom extent. See, it will extend all the objects, whatever there in the screen workspace. So it will extend all the objects. You can use from this navigation window, as well as you can right click. You can use this zoom extent from this navigation window, or else you can even type in the command window. The option is Z, and see, you have to give A here. So it give you, it just shrink the objects, and then if you wanted to get the extent, and it will give you the extent. See, here we have all the options. If you wanted to get all, center, dynamic, extent, previous, scale, window and object. So whatever the command you want, first letter you have to give. For example, see, I'm again selecting zoom. If I give E, it will give you the zoom extent. It is already in zoom extents only, so that is why it is not moving. Again give zoom and give A, give enter, so that it will move. And next we have this one, orbit. Rotate the view in 3D space but constrained to horizontal and vertical orbit only. So this is the option, rotate option. See, we have the 3D view in the 3-dimensional view, X, Y and Z directions. And if you want the view, you can even go here and then select, go to custom. Here it is 2D wireframe, right? We have to select this 2D wireframe, and then here in the custom view, just click on top, so that it will be coming to the top view. And here this is also the rotation navigation tool. So if you rotate in this way, see, here we have the rotation. We can rotate it whatever the direction we want. So now we are in the top view. Here in this view, in this wireframe, if you wanted to look into the bottom, you can select at the bottom. And if you wanted to select right, left, everything you can select. Back, front, isometric view, southwest isometric, southeast isometric, northeast isometric, northwest isometric and all. And if you just click on top, it will show you the top view. So friends, that's all about the navigation tools. Let's meet in the next lecture.